let's say you want to do this. You have an Excel file. You want to change the border, or you want to change the color of every seventh row in an Excel file. As an example, I want to do an year calendar, a calendar for a whole year. And every Sunday, I want it to be in a different color, which means the seventh day in the row here. So if I have an Excel file here, so let's assume I'm selecting some rows here. Let's say I'm selecting 30 rows here. I go to conditional formatting. You can see here I'm clicking on conditional formatting, clicking on new rule here, and then choose this. Use a formula to determine which cell to be selected or which cell to be formatted. So I'm going to just type in a simple formula here. I'm just going to say mod row, comma, 7, because I'm looking for every seventh row equal to 0. Correct? So now we'll go here to the formats, and I can say what I want to do. I want to change the border. I want to fill it up. Let's say I want to fill it up with some color here. Okay. Select this. And now if I click OK, what will happen? Every seventh row will be in that color. So instead, if I don't want this, I want to just change the border. Okay. Just go here, choose the same thing. Right. I'm going to say mod here, row, which will actually obtain the rows here, every 7. So that's why I say comma 7. If let's say it's every 5th day, you can put comma 5. Do click on formats, go to border. Let's say I'm going to just put an underline, okay? Meaning the border, the lower line should be bold. Just click OK here, click OK again. You will see, you should expect that. So I didn't see it. Let me do it again one more time. Just go here, go to new rules, choose this, and say equal to mod row, comma 7 is equal to 0. Select this, and then make sure this is selected, and then make sure you have selected not none. You have selected a line here, and then this is the automatic one. Click OK, OK here. You will see there's a line here after the 7th row. Every 7th row has a line. So if you want to have many rows here, you can select whatever you want to. Thank you.